Y'all make sure y'all go check out Dee, Native Tearz. She's the one that started this Cast Iron Wednesday. Y'all give her a shout and check out that playlist she's got. Tons of channels, not just mine. If you like Dutch oven cooking and cast iron cooking, you'll love Cast Iron Wednesday. Got a 10-inch Cabela's Dutch oven, Campmaid lid holder. Thank you, Campmaid. If y'all want one, check out the link down below and get you some. Made by Campmaid. I got an old little steam thing. I make you use I use it as a trivet to keep everything off the bottom so it doesn't burn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this 20-inch. It's a wax paper made by Lodge, and I learned this from another YouTube channel. I'll put his link down below, and I'll put their channel right here. You start in the corner and run it to the edge, push it down and go up to the top. And when you get to the top, remember that. Take that, it's right there. Take your knife, cut it across, and now it will fit perfectly inside and save a lot of cleaning. Now that will save a lot of cleaning. This is a Ferricium rod. There she goes. Won't be long now. Alright guys, what I am going to be cooking now to put on this pizza is some deer sausage that I had processed and made from a deer I shot this year down at the local processor. I can't wait to try it out. It's really good stuff. It's a little spicy. Of course, everything I'm putting in this pizza today is spicy. But number one is, it's low carb. Shout out to Lodge. Yes, sir. Now, I could cook it over this because this thing's pretty hot. But I'm going to go ahead and cook it over the gas. What I got here is 1 pound of deer sausage. I've already got it thawed out in the microwave, and that's kind of why it's like this. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and cut this up and get this going, and then I'll show you what else are in this bowl. Okay guys, got it sizzling, got it rocking and rolling. Just needs the next few ingredients put in here, and I'm gonna cook it down and make it. I'm losing little pieces of meat. Y'all see that, don't you? MD Outdoors, that's your fault, buddy. Outdoors cooking. I know you wanted that. All right, guys. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna take this sausage, leave it in the pan. I sprayed down a lot of canola oil on it. And what I'm gonna be putting in here is some jalapenos, some diced onions, sweet onions, and it's gonna be these little pieces. I don't know if you can see that, but these little pieces are cut up. That is deer meat, but it is summer sausage. I also had that processed, and I've cut it up in little pieces, and this is going to go all over the pizza as well. But what I'm doing is I'm going ahead and putting it all together, let it get incorporated. We're going to cook this down and make sure everything's cooked completely, really good. Oh man, this is going to make awesome on that pizza. Now I may not use all these ingredients, but it's okay. I can always use it to make use a flour tortilla, low carb flour tortilla. You can stuff it with this, and you can always put cheese in there and sour cream and salsa and whatever else you want, and make a great breakfast burrito for the next morning. So y'all hang around, let me cook these onions down till they get kind of translucent, And when they do, it'll be awesome, guys. And thank you, Brenda from AOK Forge and Adventure, for my spoon. I really, really like it. She carved this up for me, and I enjoy using it. Works really well. All right, y'all, stick around. We've got to get some pizza going. I'm starving to death. And it's kind of cool this morning. It's like, I don't know, 43 degrees. I'll throw a picture in here. So, yeah, it's a little chilly, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I got to get this done. Because this is Cast Iron Wednesday, baby. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm missing right now? I'm getting a little thirsty. Oh man, this is smelling. Y'all don't have no idea how good this smells. Holy moly. Smells like love. This is a great dish, guys. Doesn't matter if you're at home like me on the corner cooking, or if you're out camping. What I love about cast iron cooking, you just can't hardly beat it. I mean, it's really forgiving, guys. It's really easy to do. Just get outside, the main thing, and enjoy yourself. I finally caught a day in between the freezing weather and the raining weather to get outside and do some cooking for y'all. Y'all been asking for some cast iron cooking, Dutch oven cooking. Well, today, we're getting it done. It's happening, baby. Appreciate each and every one of y'all coming by. I hope you liked the video and subscribe and come back and see me for my next adventure. You never know what's going to be happening around on the corner. Oh yeah, she's just about done. Well, like I say, man, them jalapenos, whoo, they'll get me. I'm actually gonna turn this off right now because it's done. But what I gotta have, because I'm thirsting to death, guys, thirsting to death. I'm rolling with The Rock today. Now, I'm not sponsored by them. No, I'm not. Not sponsored by anybody here. Me, myself, and I. But I'm gonna tell you somebody. It's a great channel, and you check him out. It's Stein North. He does a lot of live streaming, but he also does bushcrafting. You go back in his videos and check him out. He does cooking like this outdoors, and the guy's awesome. Thank you, Carolina Chris, for my hand forged. Look at this, hand forged, guys. He made this for me. Bottle opener. I'm gonna open this up today, and you'll want it, brother. We're gonna be rolling with The Rock. Thing works perfect, man. Oh yeah. Cheers, y'all. Appreciate you coming by, watching me cook. Oh yeah. I think I need a little something here to cool that down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put a little. Oh, there goes a piece of meat. Oh, 3-second rule. I'm just kidding. All right, let's get to cooking. That's right, I'm cooking with the Crocs today. All right, guys. I've never cooked one of these before, so I'm gonna try something I think I may need to do to make it come out of the pan a little easier. I've already showed you this. I've already put this liner in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go one more step further and put a little bit of canola oil so that it doesn't stick and everything works out right. Now this is a low carb pizza. Like I say, this is a low carb, very thin cauliflower crust. I've never used one of these before. I have never, ever cooked this before. Y'all see it. If I can do it, y'all can do it, guys. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and cut this out of here. I'm not sure how hard it is gonna be to get out of here, but we're gonna do it. All right, I think I've got that cut. Oh yeah. This is the easiest way to make a pizza, guys. If you ask me, it's just gotta be the easiest way to make a pizza. Now this thing was frozen just a little while ago. So I'm not sure how hard it is to get out of here without breaking, but it looks like it's trying very hard to break on me. I do not want this to happen, but I'm gonna take my time. All right, let me get this out of here and I'm gonna put it in the pan and we'll go a little further. The next thing to do, I did not preheat the Dutch oven, so I'm gonna let you know that this thing is ice cold right now. So it says 10 to 15 minutes to cook time. It may take a little longer for me, being that I have not preheated this. So I'm just pouring on the pizza sauce. You can get any kind you want. I'm just gonna spread this out. And this, I think this is the best thing to use to keep from making a big mess, is to put one of these liners in here. Man, that's gonna be good. I can just taste it right now. All right, so we're gonna put on our ingredients. Look at that. Onions, deer sausage. We got jalapenos in that, which I love jalapenos. And it's not gonna be that hot, but the sausage was a little bit of a hot sausage. Okay, and it's got some deer meat that was turned into summer sausage that I cut up in little pieces. It's all over it. So it's pretty much a mix of everything good old country boy likes. You know, I always like to have a little bit of black pepper, so we're gonna put some crushed, coarsely ground black pepper all over it. That's gonna give it a spice. These pepperonis I'm gonna put on here, they're supposed to be spicy pepperonis, so that's gonna kick it up a little bit. I don't know how spicy they're gonna be, but they look pretty daggone good. You know what, I'm gonna put a layer, and then I'm gonna put some cheese, and then I'm gonna put another layer of them. I think that'll make it great. It don't matter if you're camping, you're in your backyard, or wherever you wanna go. This is the thing to do. You wanna have a little fun. You know, I don't know many people that don't like pizza, especially low-carb pizza. It don't get much better than this. And this is a pizza cheese, so it doesn't matter what kind. You can put mozzarella and just straight mozzarella. All right, I'm gonna put a few more of these jalapenos on here. Or, I said jalapenos, I meant pepperonis. Might as well put the whole pack on there, right? Ain't no sense in messing around with it. We're gonna have double pepperoni. It's probably made to make 2 pizzas with, but I got another pack. And I'm gonna put some more cheese on top of that. This thing's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be the best Dutch oven low carb pizza, probably high in fat. If you got high cholesterol, I wouldn't, you know, want you to eat this. But, you know, as long as you eat one piece, I guess it wouldn't hurt you none. As long as you wash it down with a good old cold beer. Get to clean out your arteries real good. Oh my God, that thing's gonna be 2 inches deep. Might as well just put it all on there. Ain't no sense fooling around with it. All right, I got a liner on here. We're gonna get her done. All right, I got some more here, but like I said, I can make a breakfast burrito with the rest of that. Let's put the top on this thing. Put some coals under it, and on top of it, we're gonna let it rock and roll. All right, I got a few coals laying down here. They're hot too, boy. Use safety. Move them around. I don't know, there's probably 20, 25 coals, but they're halfway burnt down. I started my coals too early. So I got me some more going. As you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay the Dutch oven on this first. Boy, look at the goodness. All right, I'm gonna set this down here. Boy, that looks good. We're gonna put the top on. And guys, it's just that simple. Pour the coals to it. We're gonna put the coals all over the top. We want more of an oven effect than we do anything. So the more coals you put on the top, the better it is. And there she goes. We'll see y'all back here in a little bit and see how long it takes. I hope 10 or 15 minutes, we're gonna check it and see what she looks like. All right, guys, it's been about 18 minutes. I let it go a little longer than I wanted to because it's been cold out here and I ain't got as many coals as I'd like. So let's see what she looks like. I just hope the crust is done. Oh boy. I mean, just look at that. Son. It's bubbling. Let me pull the camera in so y'all can see it. All right, let's see if I can get this on this out of here. I hope that crust is done. I really hope it is. It looks a little soft, but I've never cooked one of these before. It looks pretty good. I wonder how easy it'll come out of there. Well, it looks like it's peeling away pretty good. All right, let me see if I can get this out of here and we'll come right back. All right, y'all. Look who come next door over here.
Hello, everybody. I showed up just in time.
Yeah.
Check this out.
He said he smelled it all the way over there and he's gonna come over and check it out. Got some Dutch oven cooking right here. Ain't no loving like Dutch oven loving, baby. That's right. Rolling on the drop. He got him some.
Yeah, we're rolling.
Now I noticed when I pulled this out, guys, it was a little bit hard to get that wax paper out from under. I think I didn't have enough heat up under my Dutch. So next time I'm gonna put a little bit more coals under there because it's so cold outside. I don't think it got it really done, but it's a cauliflower based, so it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna dig into it.
Yeah,
Check it out.
We'll give it a taste.
Let's do it. Guys, this looks amazing. Look at that, look at that, look at this. Holy crap, look at that.
Oh, wow.
And Jeff, he's diabetic too, so it's good for him. It won't hurt him a bit. It's low carb, high cholesterol. I hope the cholesterol's good. Let's see if this is any good. All right. Say me a little prayer. Amen. All right.
Amen.
Here we go. Taste this.
You never know what's just around the corner.
Yeah. Man, that looks good.
Man.
I can't believe that's low carb. Ain't no way that's low carb. That's got to be. Oh my God. God, this, look at that. Man, that's good right there.
Man.
That sausage, you can taste that. You know what? And I didn't even put bacon in it. You can put bacon or anything, but man, with that sausage in it, and that pepperoni, and that cheese, and them onions.
You know, I figured it would be a lot hotter with all those jalapenos in it, but it's not hot.
They're bland. The jalapenos wasn't fresh.
Wasn't fresh.
They was pickled. I got them out of a jar.
Man, that's good.
Then you got that deer summer sausage in there, and the cheese, and then the pepperonis, and
That's just all in all a good blend right there.
and the cauliflower base. Even though it's kind of soft, it's done, and you really don't taste it. It don't taste bad at all. It tastes great.
Good.
But there's no bread in it, so you don't got no carbs. It's awesome to eat, guys. I appreciate you, Jeff, coming over here. That's an honest opinion right there. Not just me, guys. You can see it's really good.
It's good. It is, Calvin. It's good.
Well, I appreciate it, man. All right, y'all, get on back over here on the corner where the getting's good and happiness is always just around the corner.
Just around the corner. Yeah.
Y'all come back and see us. Oh, man. Freaking good, ain't it? It's good.
That's good, man. It's got just a little bite to it.
A little bit of kick.
Yeah, just a little kick.
Well, good thing you got a beer there.
Oh, man.
I like it.
You and me both.